Hey everybody, it's Chris from Steeda, and today we're going to be installing the FG1152 fuel filter for 2016 to 2020 Shelby GT350s and 2020 plus Shelby GT500s. This is a direct fit replacement right from Motorcraft. We sell it right here at Steeda.com, and it is recommended that you replace this fuel filter on your 350 or 500 every 30,000 miles. So without further ado, let's show you an installation on how to replace your fuel filter on your 350 or 500. Watch this installation carefully to get an idea of whether or not you can do it at home. If you don't feel comfortable, go ahead and have a professional mechanic swap your fuel filter out for you. Begin by lifting the car up using a car lift or a jack and a set of jack stands. Underneath the car, under the driver's seat, you'll see the shielding for the factory fuel lines. Grab a pair of pliers and begin removing the retaining nuts holding the shield in place. There's a series of clips you can pull to remove enough of the shield to get access to the fuel filter. Once you have the bolt out for the fuel filter, you're ready to disconnect the fuel lines. Be very careful with this part. There is pressurized fuel in these lines. You want to make sure that as you disconnect the lines, you have a rag handy to clean up any mess. Disconnect both the front and the rear. Remember the orientation of the filter because that's the way you'll reinstall your new filter. Slide the new filter into place. The rounded edge aims towards the rear of the car. Slide the lines onto the filter and put the retaining clips back on the lines to hold the lines in place. Tighten down the bolt holding the filter in place. Reinstall the retaining nuts for the cover. And your installation's complete.